Okay, this is problem 10 from chapter 11 of CFIN7. This is a cost to retain earnings problem using the bond plus risk premium approach. In this method for calculating cost to retain earnings, you calculate the company's bonds yield to maturity, and then you add 3 to 5%. So, Energetic Engines is trying to estimate its cost of retained earnings. Company has outstanding bonds that pay $20 interest every 6 months. That means that the coupon rate is 4%. Each bond has a $1,000 face value and matures in 6 years. It's currently selling for $900. Estimate Energetic's cost of retained earnings using the bond plus risk premium approach. All right, so N is going to be 6 years semi-annually, so 6 times 2. PV is the 900, entered as a negative. The price of the bond. The 20 is the coupon payment, and 1,000 is the future value. And equals rate, comma, payment, comma, present value, comma, and then future value. So that's 3%. So we multiply that by 2 to get the yield to maturity. So 6.01%. So so to add 3% here, so times 0.03. Oh yeah. I'm sorry, plus 0.03. 9.01%. So 6% plus 0.05, 11.01%. So the cost to retain earnings is somewhere between 9.01% and 11.01%.